Hi guys, Michael here from AAA Mould Removal. Today I'll show you how we set up a containment zip door just along the doorway. What we're using will be a zipper, a Stanley knife. What you also need is good tape. Just make sure that you use a painter's tape just in case it rips the paint off. However, this house they're going to repaint it, so we're going to just use something a bit stronger because it's going to be sanded back and repaint anyway. We're going to be using a 200 virgin plastic. This one we get it from Allen's. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, first of all, you've got to cut your plastic to size, or at least near the size of the doorway. Remember, it's important to use the 200 plastic. It's specified in the standards. Stronger, it's hard to get punch out if you've got tradies walking in and out. Just another key to note, if you're going to do negative air containment, sometimes I find sticker tape itself wouldn't be enough. You might need to use double-sided sticker tape, glue, especially in areas where you need to monitor your negative air, especially when we do in hospitals, nursing homes. We tend to stable and use adhesive onto the wall because the neck air is very important in this area. You'd rather have a good neck air than trying to save the paint on the wall, especially in hospital setting. Alright, so now we're gonna put on our zipper. Unravel your zipper. You would want the zipper to be at the bottom near the floor. Alright, so now come the tricky bit. You need a really sharp standing knife. Or this zipper, normally they come with a cutter in the box. I do find the cutter is a bit hard to cut, and standing knife we do. So you start from the bottom. And you try to cut in the middle. And that's it. That's how you set up a ZipWall in a doorway.